Hi friends, welcome to Insults. Today it is the 90th episode in the Geography series. So today we're going to discuss about another nation in the world, and that is the European nation of Italy, the land of pasta and pizza. Okay, so Italy, it has a big peninsula. It's mainly a peninsula and has the boot. This region is called by boot because it looks like a boot. And also there's a small thing there, a small panhandle. And there are two big and main islands, Sicily and Sardinia. Okay, so this is the nation of Italy. So the capital of Italy is the city of Rome, right about here. Yes. So I'll just put Italy, IT. So now let's see the bordering nations of the country of Italy. So first, to the north there is Switzerland, to the northwest and to the northeast there is Austria. There's a small hole because there's Liechtenstein. So Switzerland SW and Austria AU. So next, to the east there is the one and only nation of Slovenia. And to the west there is France. Yeah. So this is France. And then there are two small nations inside of Italy. We can't exactly tell that it is north, west, south or things like that. So I'm just going to tell in the middle. So first, in a bit more north and a bit more bigger is San Marino. So this is not for sale. Not for scale. Yes, San Marino is not that big compared to Italy. It's much more smaller, a size of city. And then there's the smallest nation in the world, Vatican City, the Holy See, as you may call it. Yes. So this is the nation of Italy. So now let's go into some aspects about Italy. So the population of the nation is 58.8 million people, which makes it the 25th most populous country in the entire world. Meanwhile, its land area is 301,000 square kilometers, which makes it the 71st largest country in the world. And there is one coincidence: the density of the country, that means for every square kilometer square, there are 201 people, which makes it the 71st most densest nation. The size area makes it the 71st largest, and the density makes it the 71st densest. Coincidence. Okay. So now let's see some of the geographical aspects of the nation. So first, in the north, let's see screen again. So there's a very large valley known as the Po Valley because there's the river, the Po River. I'll just move this IT a bit more southern. The IT. Okay. So this is the Po River, which is the largest river in all of Italy. Yes. So this is mainly the river basin. So it's a plain, just like the Ganga plain in North India. So it just follows the path of the Po Valley. The Po River. So it also has other names like the Po Plains, the Pandal Plains, not exactly Pandal, but like that. So next, to the east is the Venice Plains. Yes, here is the city of Venice, by the way, it's a coastal city. So these are also a set of plains which are located about here. So I just told you, that means I draw this small thing here. It's a panhandle. It's the panhandle of Trieste, a small region, and it is not for scale as well. It's much more tinier than this. Wait, more like this. Yeah, that thing. It's very small. So next, if we go a bit more south, there's a big mountain range known as the Apennine mountain range, which goes from this part to all the way to the south. Yes, yeah, it's pretty big. And meanwhile, in the north, there's the humongous Alpine mountain range, the biggest mountain range in all of Europe. That means in height in the European Union. So Mount Blanc, which is the largest, that means the highest mountain in all of the European Union, lies in northern Italy, especially in the Alps. Yes, the small peaks of the Alps. And meanwhile, these two islands are pretty hilly as well. Sardinia is almost completely covered by mountains except for some coastal regions. Meanwhile, Sicily, just some small mountainy regions in the center. Meanwhile, the remaining is kind of plains. See, there are many things in common. Most of these, three of these regions, Sardinia, Sicily and the mainland, all are largely mountainous and plainous. Or have plains. What is plainous? And also one fun fact, these two islands are the largest two islands in all of the Mediterranean. It's kind of hard to pronounce the Mediterranean Sea. Yes, so these two are the largest. First is Sardinia, second is Sicily, and also there is Corsica, which is part of France. But this island of Corsica has many related history, lots of related history with Italy as a whole. The language spoken there known as Genoese or just like that. So it is mainly spoken, that means it is an Italian language. It is more closely related to Italian than French. Not exactly Genoese but just Corsican. Yes. So there are smaller islands in the south. Yes. So now let's move on to the economy of the nation. Most of the economy comes from selling, guess it, industrial things and electricals, including valve pumps and many other air pumps, lots of pumps, next refrigerators, next car equipment, because there is a big company known as, guess it, the race car company. You know it. I won't reveal its name, but you must guess it. Yes. So, I'll say it's Ferrari. Ferrari has its home base in Italy. It originated from Italy. So many cars coming from here may most likely be Ferrari cars. So, and last and finally, we're going to draw the flag of the nation. And some other things come from medications, beauty products, things like that. Yes. So first, there is red in this side of the flag. Yes. And then there is green in this side of the flag. Yes. It's very similar to the French flag, but the only difference is in the France flag, there is blue here there's green. See you today about the country of Italy. Bye.